Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies across the region currently. Seeing some warm temperatures as well. Temperatures already in the lower to mid 70s across the peninsula. I see a very warm day across the region for this time of year. Temperatures in the mid 80s across the peninsula. We'll see some scattered thunderstorms moving into the region for later this afternoon and the evening. Some of those could be strong to severe. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a slight risk for severe storms across our area today, and most likely we'll see a severe thunderstorm watch from the SPC later on today for that chance of some strong to severe thunderstorms. Overall today, though, will be dry during the work hours as well as some fairly light winds, warm conditions, so a really nice day during the work hours today. Then once we move past about 6 o'clock this evening, we'll see those scattered showers and thunderstorms really start to move into the region and giving us some unsettled conditions for the evening hours today. So taking a look at our freezing level this morning on the sounding, 11,100 feet. Winds out of the northwest in general throughout the column this morning, increasing with height up to 41 knots, 25,000 feet. Our current surface analysis, we do have a cold front that's currently going to be moving towards the region for later this afternoon in the evening hours. It is a stationary boundary currently across the Mason-Dixon line that's going to be transitioning to cold front later today. We'll see that spawn our showers and thunderstorms for this evening. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see here we do have a little bit of cloud cover across the region this morning, mainly in the mid and upper levels, but overall going to see a good period of some sunshine this afternoon. That's going to really allow us to warm up before we see a more southwesterly wind for later this afternoon at Wallops. And taking a look at the latest high-res model here, you can see the showers and thunderstorms developing across the peninsula around 4 to 5 o'clock this afternoon into the evening hours, approaching Salisbury most likely around 4 to 6 o'clock, and then into the Wallops region from about 6 to 8 o'clock, possibly lingering until about 10 o'clock late this evening, and then moving well off the coast thereafter. And taking a look at the European model for the next few days here. European doesn't show as much activity as most of the high-res models today, so capping our thunderstorm chances at 60% today, as the European is showing a little bit of a drier solution across the region, not as much thunderstorm activity. Let's move into our Tuesday. Going to see high pressure move in the region, seeing more onshore flow tomorrow, so some cooler temperatures as we'll see those temperatures today about 20 degrees above normal. Tomorrow we'll see more seasonable temperatures in the mid-upper 60s. And then for our Wednesday, we'll see a warm front moving through the region, giving us a chance of showers Wednesday afternoon, possibly an embedded thunderstorm as well. And then for Thursday, we'll see a weak area low pressure kind of off the coast. It's going to give us a northwesterly flow during the afternoon on Thursday, and a possibility of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, according to the European model here. Other guidance is showing a drier solution for Thursday, but right now can't rule out that shower or thunderstorm for Thursday afternoon. And then for our Friday, looks like we'll have this kind of low sitting off the coast. We'll have a weak area high pressure over our region. More onshore flow for Friday, so it will be cooler with temperatures as of right now in the 60s. And then for Saturday, we'll see a cold front approaching. That should give us a little bit of a warm-up ahead of that cold front and chances of a shower moving through for late Saturday. Right now, instability could be seeing a thunderstorm as well, but models are kind of split once again for Saturday of whether that instability builds in the region. We have enough moisture as well for a thunderstorm, but right now it looks like a slight chance of a shower and a slight chance of a thunderstorm as well. Then for Sunday, looking like the European model wants to develop another area low pressure, giving us a rain out on Sunday. Right now that looks fairly unlikely. Most of the model guidance is showing a dry solution for our Sunday, but can't rule that out as of this time, as it being about 7 days out, and the European model showing that solution. So for the next 24 hours, looking at risk chart. As I mentioned, the work hours today, green chart, and then we'll get into some more active weather once we move past about 4 o'clock or 1600 local. Seeing a 30% chance of a thunderstorm between 1600 local and 1800 local, excuse me. And then we'll see a 60% chance of a thunderstorm between 1800 local and 2200 local for the evening into late evening hours. We'll see some stronger wind gusts possible with those line of thunderstorms moving through. We'll also see that rainfall associated with those thunderstorms. Lower ceilings possible with any of those heavier rain showers moving through with the thunderstorms. Today, our high will be around 84 degrees expected at Wallops as of right now. Still seeing those winds out of the west, and should see that through at least mid-afternoon. And with the very warm air we have in place, should see those temperatures reach the lower to mid-80s today. Overnight tonight, we'll see a low of 54 degrees. As that cold front moves through during the overnight hours, we'll see a brief surge of some northeasterly winds, 10 to 15 knots, gusts to 23 knots. So keeping a yellow for our winds over 25 knots overnight. So as far as our terminal forecast goes, we'll see VFR conditions today. Then we'll see thunderstorm chances as I highlighted for the evening hours. And then we'll see some clearing skies overnight. Slight chance we see some patchy fog early overnight before the actual cold front moves through around 4 local Tuesday morning. And then by Tuesday 8 local, we'll just see some filtered sunshine across the region. Our tides are currently running normal. Looking at Tuesday and at Wednesday, Tuesday partly cloudy and more seasonable with an onshore flow, high of 67 degrees. Tuesday night, partly cloudy, low of 50, and for Wednesday, mostly cloudy, overcast, a good chance of afternoon showers, slight chance of a bit of thunderstorm, high of 68 degrees. So the next 7 days, that high today, sticking out 84 degrees, well above normal, about 20 to 25 degrees above normal for today. Not going to reach the record. I was set back in 1976 at 88 degrees, though. So not quite as warm as we saw back then, but a very, very warm day across our region. As I mentioned, temperatures get back towards seasonable levels for Tuesday and Wednesday. A chance of a shower, isolated thunderstorm on Wednesday. Thursday, we warm back up with a high of 74 degrees. As I mentioned, keeping a 20% chance of a shower or thunderstorm late in the day. Not expecting it this time, as most model guides show us drying out for Thursday. And for Friday and Saturday and Sunday, we'll see temperatures back in the 60s. Cooler on Sunday with more clouds, possibility that secondary system moving through after we see a chance of a shower on Saturday, isolated thunderstorm as well. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.